igcwetha likaNtuthuko Shoba belikhola bona enye ikhodi ingajugulula isigwebo sokudilikelwa ijele esaphosa uShoba. Lokhu kuza ngemva kobana ikhodi ephakemeko yamvuma namlando ngokuhlela ukubulala uTshegofatso Pule weminyaka eyi-28 ubudala okhabe aneenyanga eziyi-8 asidisi ngomnyaka 2020. Ngelesihlanu ngeveke ephelele kamagcwetha kaShoba ufaka isibawo sokutjhijila isigwebo benza lokhu ngenxa yokunyaza ubufakazi ebalethwa umuntu wabulala uPule ebesakangifakazi wombuso umuzi kayise emaliphane kunye nevidiyo ye-CCTV etshengisa uShoba anoPule ngaphambi kobana kufunyanwe isidumbu sikaPule esilenge emthini. Ikhotho isiphayile isibawo sikaShoba.
On the material before me, I cannot conclude that Mr. Shoba's prospects of success rise even to the remote. In those circumstances, there is no sufficiently compelling reason to grant leave to appeal.
Umndeni kaPule usamukele isahlilo sekhotho.
Unfortunately, he still continues to show our family a middle finger. I mean, he still continues to treat us with disdain. That's all I can say. And I am hoping that the sooner everybody accepts this, the better for everyone, especially for us.
After the judgment was passed in July, we actually did say that we were anticipating that he would definitely be, appealing sooner than later. So it didn't catch us as much of a surprise. However, we still had to just hold thumbs and pray harder.
Ibandla elithuthisako lomphakathi NPA lithi isigwebo sokudilikelwa ijele kufanele sithumele umlezo kulabo abasezokukhahlumeza ngokobulili.
As the state, we have argued in court that there are no reasonable prospects of success on appeal. We've also raised the issue that Mr. Shoba's contention fell short of raising any rational premise.
Umndeni kaTshegofatso Pule uthi uthemba bona bazokhona ukukhohlwa ngendaba le nenhliziyo zabo ziqole.